Today, we will be hearing about when God speaks to Moses about a change that is coming, which can be found in Numbers 27. And we will hear about when Moses admonishes the children of Israel to choose life, which can be found in Deuteronomy 29 through 30. God told Moses that it would soon be time for him to leave his people. He said that he would let him see the land promised to the Israelites, but he would not let him enter into the land. Moses asked God to choose someone else to lead the people after his death, and the Lord chose Joshua, who had already shown his faith in God. Now the Reubenites and the Gadites had very large herds and flocks. They asked if they could stay on the side of the river Jordan, for the land was good for grazing. Moses agreed that if all their men helped in the flight to conquer Canaan, then after their victory, they could come back and claim this land. God told the Israelites they must drive out the inhabitants of the land before them and destroy all their carved images and idols and temples. God was not giving the Israelites the land because they were good, but because those who lived there were wicked. And now we will hear about why the children of Israel should choose life. Moses gathered the people to him, for God wanted them to renew the covenant that he had made with them. Moses reminded them of all that God had done for them, and that God would be angry if they ever turned away from him and went off to worship other gods. But if they obeyed God with all their heart and soul and kept his commandments, then he would look after them wherever they were and bring them to the land promised to their fathers, and they would be wealthy and successful. Today I set before you a choice between life and death. If you truly love the Lord and obey all his commands, then you and your children will live happily in the promised land. But if you do not obey God, if you worship other gods, then you will be destroyed. So choose life, for the Lord is your life, and he will be with you in the land you have been promised. Next time, we will hear about when Moses hands over his reign to Joshua, which can be found in Deuteronomy 31 through 32. And we will hear about how Moses seized the promised land, but he couldn't enter, which can be found in Deuteronomy 33 through 34.